What's up guys? For today's video, we are going to watch Step Back by Got the Beat stage video. I think ibig sabihin ng Got is girls on top. Got the Beat Step Back stage video. This is my first time watching this group. Let's play it na. Ang tunog yun? Kotse ba yun or speedboat? Okay, kotse? New girl group ba to? Ngayon ko lang to nakita. Jennie? Ng Blackpink? Oh my god, I love the background. Ngayon ko lang napansin. By the way, shoutout sa cameraman dito. Ang ganda ng angles, ang ganda ng shots, and ang ganda ng movement. Props. Yeah. Okay. By the way, ang ganda ng background nila. Universe. Be a universe. Kailan ba to titigil tong tunog kotse dito sa beat na to? Kailan ba to titigil kaka brum brum? Pwede ba patakboyin na yung kotse na yan or motor? Uy, pwede siya maging member ng ang tawag ng group na yun. Yung We Going Up. Demon Hunters. Bumalik na naman yung tunog motor. Tunog brum brum. Bro, it's just the brum brum brum. Like, bro, pwede ba layuan mo muna sila? I just wanna hear the vocals. Okay, like, inaagaw mo yung attention ko sa kanila. Oh my god. Di ba yun? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, nawala na yung brum brum. Nandyan pa pala. Okay, high note. Okay, dance break. Oh, step back. Hello, stupid. Step back. Grabe ah. Bro, kung ako cameraman, nahihilo na ako. Yung mic po, pataas onte. Akala ko mahuhulog yung mic. Woo! Humahinot si ate. So yung motor talaga, man. Or yung tunog na broom broom. Wow. Almost of the member, they have the same shoes, bro. SM Entertainment. Got the Beat Step Back Stage Video. The background, universe, plus points. Di ko lang masyado vibe yung parang motor na brum brum brum. Okay, brum brum brum. Like, tumutunog siya sa beat. Okay, I think, medyo malakas lang siguro yon. Okay, pwede hinaan na lang siguro yon yung brum 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 na inad. Step back stage video. This is my first time watching them. I hope I can see more of them. As far as I know, hindi pa to nare-request in my stream all time. Kung di ako nagkakamali or nakalimutan ko lang. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Adios!